Hi, my name is Kevin. I'm one of the co-founders of Plugin Lab, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your first ChatGPT plugin with user authentication in 5 minutes using Plugin Lab. The first thing you have to do is to go on pluginlab.ai and sign up for free. Then either you can start with an example plugin, which means Plugin Lab will deploy a backend for you, handle the manifest file and everything. So you can start without writing a single line of code. Or if you already have a backend, already have a plugin configuration, you can use the configure option that will lead you to configure your own plugin. So I will cover that more in detail on another video. For this one, I will start with the example plugin. So here Plugin Lab has configured my example plugin and I'm on my dashboard. I can see I don't have any event yet. We'll see that in a minute. And what I will do is I will activate user management. So I will go on members section here and I will click on manage auth schemas. Here you can see schemas and you can see some of them are coming soon. We'll probably support them by the time you're watching this video. I'm not going to explain all the possibilities regarding the authentication on OpenAI and ChatGPT. I'm covering that on other videos, so feel free to watch the other videos. Here, we'll focus on authenticating users using the auth flow. So I will click on configure to use this flow. And here you can see Plugin Lab asks me to configure my sign-in method. Currently, I can only configure passwordless email, but by the time you watch this video, we'll probably support many other sign-in methods, including Twitter, Discord, GitHub, and many others. So I will choose passwordless email. And now I can manage my auth settings. So I will click on that button and I will activate this schema. I will confirm. And now I will click on setup. Now the only thing I have to do is to follow the steps. So first I will head over ChatGPT UI. So I have my tab here on the right. So we'll go on plugin store, develop your own plugin and copy paste this URL. OpenAI will find the manifest file and the OpenAPI configuration file provided by Plugin Lab. Here I will click on Next, and I will copy paste the client ID and client secret provided by Plugin Lab. Now ChatGPT gives me a code, and I will copy paste that code here on the next section. I validate, and boom, everything is set up. It means Plugin Lab is now able to serve my manifest file with the authentication configuration. I will click on Verify Tokens to complete the installation process. And that's it. My plugin is ready. So I will click on Install for me. And what you have to understand, which is very important, is at this stage, we are installing the plugin as you users will be installing it. So we are not considered as the developer anymore. We are the plugin user. We'll see what happens. I'll click on continue. And now you can see ChatGPT asks us to log in because we configured an authentication flow. So I will click on login. And you can see I'm redirected to this portal. This authentication portal is made and provided by Plugin Lab. It means you don't have to write a single line of code to have this portal. This is built in for you. So as a user, I will be able to sign up and sign in with any email of my choice because you've configured that on Plugin Lab. So for example, I will use my email. And Plugin Lab sent me a code by email. I got the email, so I will enter the code. Click on verify. Then I authorize. And boom, I'm redirected to ChatGPT. So if we go on Plugin Lab dashboard here, and we go on members, you'll see you have a new member because we just signed up on the portal. And this is my email. So now let's say this user is going to use my plugin. And let's see what happens on the events section. You can see that ChatGPT is using the plugin, and you can track the requests made by ChatGPT on your dashboard. And guess what? This request is authenticated, so you can see the user ID. At the moment I'm recording the video, the user ID is not clickable, but very soon you'll be able to click on it and display all the events related to this particular user. And that's it. In a few minutes, we've configured a full-featured member management system with sign up and sign in on ChatGPT with no single line of code. I hope this video has been helpful for you guys. As you can see, you have a Discord button on the web application, so feel free to join the Discord and reach out. We'll be more than happy to help, and feel free to ask any questions regarding Plugin Lab or ChatGPT. Have a good one, guys. Take care. Bye.